Hi everybody. Well, it's not Christmas time. It's actually springtime here. It's March 25th, and we have a lot of snow around here. I think it's about 5 inches that fell already. This is where my Musabasju stump is, so we'll see if it can survive this. It's unprotected. It's my cherry blossom right here. Go around the front. Check out my Trachycarpus 429. Don't know if it can survive that. It's only 8:30. It's supposed to snow until about midday, so we have a couple of more hours of this snow. It looks like we're gonna have a white Easter. Alright guys, take care. See you later.